Everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to entertain guests in the restaurant. Welcome to our guide in handling guests in our restaurants with a grace and professionalism. Whether you are a seasoned server or how now the hospitality industry mastering the arts of guest interaction is the key in ensuring a memorable dining experience for everyone who walks through our doors. Now, I'm going to show you how the actual is.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. This is your menu.
Okay.
Orders now, sir.
I would like to one egg, to CC and
Okay.
drinks, Cito, one please.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Here's your order, sir. CC and C2 and also your watch.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Waiter, bill please.
Okay, sir. This is your bill, sir. And by the way, sir, how would you like to settle your bill? Is cash, credit card, or GCash?
There with cash. I will give you my number.
Okay, sir. Scan it. Okay, finish it, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please.
How was your meal?
It's good. It's very delicious. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Please come again. Thank you.
So hello ma'am, so that's the ending of our video, which is the restaurant guest. Thank you for watching.